Yo, welcome to another DFC experience and some Pokemon cards. Today is our second day. That means it's our second booster pack we'll be opening today or tonight. Those that tuned in and watched this video, hope you enjoy it. And hopefully you get some good pulls from this. If not, all good, it's all about the experience. Give us a like if you don't mind, subscribe, or whatever you're doing. I'll get straight into this Hidden Fates pack. Burning Shadows, sorry. Oh my goodness, I got myself hyped up because I'm thinking of opening Hidden Fates. We'll just go randomly. Let's go to the left side. Yeah. There we go. Cool. There. Ooh. Ho-Oh. I wonder if I have a Ho-Oh in any card as well. So that's a Ho-Oh booster pack there. Yep. Just finished. I'll get into this pack. Dinner and everything. Had a good run. Big day at work. Caught up the wife. She's off to bed soon. I need to be in bed ASAP. But yeah. Hopefully we can get an ultra rare, maybe. If not, it's all good. And whoever's in Pokemon cards, hope you're having a awesome time pulling those rare, ultra rares, gold. Oh my goodness, this is taking quite a while to open. I suppose I'm not in any rush because I'm only opening one. Oh, it's a green one. That's right. One booster pack. And it goes to whoever gets it. Put there in case. Red top. Did I call the last one? Ooh, I'm gonna go lightning. For lightning. It's 4. Yep. Lightning energy. Oh, it's dark. That's alright. But yeah, here's a comment. If anything you want to talk about, doesn't have to be Pokemon cards. But if it is Pokemon cards, sorry about some Pokemons I can't pronounce or name. Like some I just don't know. I play a lot of Pokemon Go, but yeah, it's strange and that. Well, I suppose not strange. It's just our first card coming up. Oh, do I have that card? It looks like an awesome card. Hitmore, wow. I like the artwork. It's so cool. Probably one thing I like about Pokemon cards is just the artwork and stuff. And yeah, I'm still yet to get like NRL cards. We get this policy. NFL cards. Weakness policy. The Pokemon this card is attached to has no weakness. Whoa. I wonder if I've actually seen this card play in the game. That's our next one. Yep, cool. Right there. Potown. Can you see that? Put it there. Closer. Yeah. There's 2 training cards there. Dupido. Now next one. Hey, I don't have no bet. No, I'm sure I don't. Yes. Yo. So I'm sure I can add that in the set when I get home. For now I'll just put in. Yes, I do have Pikachu. Yo Pikachu. It's always pretty cool pulling a Pikachu. For me anyway. I do have Vesper, yep. We have whoever this in the Pokemon Go Community Day on the 15th of this month. Pensage, next one. And the Pokemon is Abra. So that'd be pretty cool. I'll see if I could manage to participate in that community day. I'll be on night shift, so yeah, actually I will actually see if I can catch some shinies. Oh, here's a reverse holo and Magikarp. Don't know if I have reverse Magikarp, but that's a cool card. Yo, so cool. Yes. And our rare from the 1 booster pack a day challenge. Yo, it's a rare one, and I do not have that. That is so cool. Yes. Lydian. Wow. I know it's not ultra, but it's just they're just cool cards. These cards are cool, awesome. Anyway, oh, that wasn't focusing. Sorry about. I noticed in some of my videos, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I need to sort that out. But hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully whoever got the code card, get some good pulls there online. Subscribe to my channel if you like. If not, just give us a hang loose. I think we need to get some hang loose in there. Nah, this is like, anyway, from myself to you, hope you're having fun wherever you are, day, night, snowy, raining. It's autumn now. Autumn, yeah. But anyway, DSC out, and see you tomorrow for our next video. Hopefully we get pull ultra. Nothing in this one, but that's all good. I just better go. Good night.